To set your phone to notify you when there's a siren sound in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you have to enable notification for siren sound. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap the gray on off switch next to siren to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when sound notification feature is on and it detects siren sound near you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.